guess I should probably also post that here. And place them here, blah blah blah. Spy influencer. Game dev. Alright, let's get our to-do list back up. So resources, game design. What is this one? Okay, let's see what we did yesterday and what we have to do today. We made the dummy blueprint, which is all working correctly. I actually finished analog movement yesterday. That took a hot minute. Hey, Matt. So that's done. Create a world timer, create a score manager, rebuild the map, online leaderboard, which is a maybe. So next, let's make the world timer, which I don't think will be exceptionally difficult. We're just doing this inside of, you know, a test world right now. So we're gonna make a new blueprint. Actor, we're gonna call it timer, BP timer. Today's a chill stream day, hopefully. We can always hope. Okay, and we're just gonna call this timer. Okay, so we need text. Advanced? Yeah, well, it wasn't advanced, but there it is. Okay, and we're not going to do anything crazy with this, I don't think. Can you please focus? Thank you. Okay. Like, we'll just say 10... you know, 30. Sure. 10:30. 10 minutes, 30 seconds, whatever. Doesn't matter, because none of that's going to be doing anything, or that's going to be something completely different here in a second. We're going to get delta time. That doesn't feel correct. Maybe, though. Because delta time is just world time, right? No, because it wants to target a library. So we're going to bring you in. Sorry. We're going to bring you in. What is the act? Okay, so text. So we're going to bring the timer, drag out set text. Actually, it's not even going to be event tick. It's going to be a custom event that we're then going to call. Actually, even more than that, it's going to be a event dispatcher, something like that. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Yes, because we need to actually have it set a current value of the value pin is invalid value because there's nothing in it. Time? Is it a time span? Get time in seconds. Okay. And then I think we just do this. But now, oh, it doesn't like that. The current value of the output pin is invalid output. What? Meta sound output structure by reference. Oh, I bet you that was looking for the time of a sound. Time. Is it just a timer? We're doing a little bit of guesswork here. Let's start up high. Animation, utilities, get current animation of a time, casting, structure, time. Don't Clear timer. Does timer exist by function name? Does timer get timer? Invalidate timer handle. Is timer active? My brain thinks that it should be time. No. It's gotta be one of these. I'm not crazy. Get minutes, get seconds. That seems good. No, because that's looking for a time span structure. Okay. What are we trying to do? What do we consider this? Like, is there time in this? No. There's a timeline. But that's not exactly what we want either. I don't like this music just because of the clapping. So we're switching it up. All right, I give. How do I like, would it help if it knew that it was coming off this? I'm guessing no. Gameplay timers. But I'm pretty sure it's referring to this. That's why it's blue.
This is
Shush. Okay, so this person did two variables. One named seconds and one named minutes. Both of which were floats, even though... No, they were integers. Okay, I was gonna say integers make way more sense because these are whole numbers. Okay, cool. They then took seconds, set seconds. That doesn't seem correct. This seems like a really dumb way to do this. I think this guy's literally doing it by... Yeah, doing math. But there's... I'm, like, pretty certain that there is just a node that does time for you. Okay, well... Who am I to complain? So this person's literally going like seconds. They're doing a delay of 0.1 because I think length of delay in seconds. So just 1 then? Everything about this feels wrong. Yeah, so it delays a second, and then we get seconds, and we do +1. So we add a second, and then we do a branch, and the condition is seconds greater than 60? Sorry, greater than or equal to, I guess. Like, this makes sense for why it would work. But I swear they have something built into this that just does this for you. No, not get. I meant set. Well, for right now, it solves my problem, so I'm not going to complain. Add 1. Okay. And then back to seconds. Okay, cool. And then this. And all that we're going to do for this is we're going to draw out. We're going to do a, let's start with a pre. P or something. It's like, what do you call that? We're append. That's it. I don't remember how to spell append, but I'm pretty sure it's append. Except I might have to convert this to like a string first. There we go. Okay, and then this can get converted into text. And then all we're going to do, we're going to add this, okay. And then we're just going to grab minutes, plug that into here. Then B, we're just going to put this, okay, and then seconds, because then it will read minutes, seconds. Okay. Oh, somebody's unhappy. Target is self. Target is text. Goodbye. Save. Okay. Pretty sure this is gonna work though, which is kind of amazing. We haven't set up the actual function to make it so it whatchamacalls it? Alright. So I'm actually just going to simulate. Oh. Nothing's happening. Timer. Weird, because it is outputting. So why isn't it update? Oh, that's why it's not updating. Duh. Stop. I'm a fool. I was only updating it after the branch, so obviously this isn't going to do anything. Because why would it? So we're actually going to make a sequence here. So now it fires this, and then... Oh, here, wait. Control V. It'll fire this. Sorry, all the tutorials that I watch have made me a crazy person about making things look at least moderately clean. I think that at least makes some sense. Okay. But yeah, that should work now. Now if we hit play. Hey! Except I wish that there was a zero, like it was 0 and then the number. I don't know if there's an easy way to do that. Because it only does it for the first half. I'm sure you're okay. We're going to do something really dumb. Are you ready? It's going to be great. Can I do that? Can I have like a conditional 0 here? I just need a integer it's not called a constant apparently. How the flip do I just get a solid number? Absolute. There we go. Okay, so we can get another append. Wait, do we get another append? Remove pin. And we just go... Zero. Oh, actually, I guess that means I don't need the absolute, huh? And we plug this in. Okay. But then we do a brand... No. Wait, shit, that won't work. How do I add a zero here? There's gotta be a way to be like, if this, then this. The thing is that this isn't actually getting anything. You know what I mean? Like, it's not an event. It's just updating what's there. And I can't have a zero that exists. Can I? Can I have a zero that only exists if... No, because it would still be there. This shouldn't be so hard. Okay, he fixed it at some point, so let's see how. To text integer is apparently what I'm looking for. Which will then give me the ability to put maximum integer digits, or minimum as well as maximum. Which means that no matter what, there will always be a zero. Okay. Solid. Okay. We have created a timer. Hallelujah. And it really didn't take me having to look at too many tutorials. Are you proud of me, Horseman? Thank you, Horseman. I appreciate you. Excellent. Now, the next thing we need is to set up our button, which I don't even know if I have all the pieces in here for. I do have the button base in here. Excellent. Okay. I don't have their textures, though. But that might be okay. Because... why is this, like, under the ground? Yeah, why is this under the world space? I don't care. We're doing great so far. I'm trying to decide if I want this to be on an actual monitor or not. Or if I just want to have, like, a monitor later. We can figure that out. I mean, I guess technically, I could just throw, like, metal on this. But I swear that I actually made textures for these. Didn't I? Import. Documents. 3D. Models. I believe it's in Unity stuff. Or not. Yeah, I probably could just here. Well, we'll just do it live. Hey, SteamVR main updated. I don't like that it says store tags. That always makes me feel like something's happening. I guess it isn't the first or the last time that they've updated those tags. I have to just chill. I have to understand that it'll come out whenever it comes out, you know? Even though it hurts my soul. Right, because I was going to not have this actually be attached, I think. Oh, wait, right. Sorry. Technically still kind of working on it, but I'm going to vote that Create a World Timer is at testing now. Okay, then I still need to add new ones. So let's go ahead and do a new task. This is going to be setup button. Correct. And then we also need to set up the door. Technically doors. We're gonna just set up button now. And by that, I mean to say... Wish there was a really easy way to just square this. I guess there kinda is. Hell yeah. I hope somebody who actually does like a lot of 3D modeling comes into this video and is just like, what are you doing? Please stop. Oh, even my computer got angry for a second there. Now, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think I can just delete these vertices and then go boop. Oh, I was wrong. Or was I? Hell yeah. We're gonna see if this fucks up the topology really bad. I don't think it will. Because I'm still giving it an edge, right? I'm just giving it one less edge on each side. But think about all the verts that we saved by not just cutting around the entirety of this extremely simplistic mesh. Okay. And then... this is where it gets real dumb, because... now I'm going to mark this as sharp. Okay. Oh wait, have I ever even... I just realized I didn't even unwrap this. Awesome. Okay, nice. Okay, so far, that should be fine. Just gonna go like that, and then mark seams. Unwrap. It has a non-uniform scale, why? Who did this? Was it me? I bet you it was me. I'm an asshole like that. What about you? Are you unwrapped? Solid. Oh wait, not solid. Less solid. No, 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 that's solid. I was correct in my solid claims. Okay. Button base and button. Cool. File, save as. Let's get this out of Unity stuff and into, because I had one that's called like shooting gallery or something, right? Yeah, VR shooting gallery. We're going to call this button stand, but we are going to properly name it in the sense that I'm going to put 23, 10, 17, and then 01. So the date followed by the version number, even though technically this is version number 2, I suppose, but who's paying attention, am I right? We're going to set our origin to our 3D cursor. That was what I wanted. Okay. And then I'm going to just select both of these. I'm going to make a new folder in, okay, we already have a shooting gallery one. Game assets, cool. Yeah, that should be fine, right there. Export. Cool. And then we're gonna go into Steam. I was playing some Binding of Isaac there earlier today, don't mind me. Where's my software files? Why is this set up weird now? I'm confused. And we're gonna launch Substance. Pathfinder needs more mundane magic items. Oh, just like silly, like little things? Yeah, I could see that. Okay, we should be done in this, so I'm gonna close it. I'm kind of trying to keep the amount of things open to a minimum. Steam VR Desktop Theater. Interesting. We do not need that open. In fact, I wasn't aware it was open. Wait, did I just have Substance? Where's Substance? File, save. Save all. Okay. Didn't I just open Substance? Oh, it's because I get you. It starts Steam VR desktop mode because I'm opening a Steam application while Steam VR is running. As dumb as that is. Select my file. Said file is going to be models, shooting gallery. We're gonna find button base. That seems a little bit too high for what we're doing. I'll take it. All right. And then let's see. What fun goodies do we have to choose from as presets? Kind of awkwardly fleshy. I need a generator, but I forget where they're at. I don't remember this being the case. Here we go, add generator. And the generator I want to be dirt. Or sorry, not dirt. Curvature, I think. Why does curvature never help? For some reason, I have been locked out of my monitor. Oh, there we go. That was very weird for a second there. It wouldn't let me come back over to my main monitor. See, iron ore sounds nice. The only problem with it is it probably needs to be tiled way more because it looks really big. Like 5. Like 30. Like 10. I just worry that it's too much, you know? Maybe I don't even want it to be like a metal. Maybe I want something more like a like plastic. Creature. Oh, creature tongue. Nice. They're level 1. There's like 3 that are very vaguely useful, but there aren't silly ones that don't like actually do anything. That's deeply unfortunate. That looks pretty. Yeah, why not? Right? And then we can just do some like dirt. Oh my gosh, why does this keep happening? Why are you so convinced? Sometimes trying to do stuff while VR is running is a little bit of a pain in the ass. But if I turn it off, then it'll close everything. I want a very subtle dirt amount. Okay. But I think I also want to add another generator to this. And I just want this to be vertical, like, you know, location based or which is position, I think. Yeah. There we go, top to bottom. Oh my god, I'm going to have to close out of everything here soon because it's driving me nuts that it keeps doing that. Hmm. It doesn't look like it's going from bottom to top at all, does it? I wonder why. I swear the generators never work for me and I don't know why. World space? How about that? Like, I can't even see what this is changing. Okay, yep, we're closing everything. So we're just gonna get the world space, or get rid of that. We're just gonna have this, which I think looks fine. Not how I want, but for some reason, generators literally do nothing on my model. Okay, so according to this, add generator, dirt, these need to be set. And it says, if you're not seeing an effect, it sounds like the mesh inputs are not set. The input puts button will tell you which image maps are needed, and these maps can be baked in Painter using the Bake Textures button in the texture settings. Let's see what this does. Oh my gosh, did that actually do it? Can I now happily go back to working on this, but actually affect stuff based off of... Oh, look at that. Okay. See, just sometimes you just need to do a simple Google search, and then everything's fine. Okay, so the reason why we shouldn't do it this way is I think... Yeah, I think we can only have one of these at a time. I think. So if I wanted to do that again, I would have to like control duplicate, get rid of this generator, and make a new generator, and make that the position one, where I then tell it that it's inverted, and that way we can have it kind of creep upwards from the bottom. Dude, I've been fighting with that for so long. I'm so happy that I finally Googled it. That looks so much better now. Hell yeah. Now the question is do we want paint? I feel like that's a little bit too much. I like this. I think we're gonna keep it there. So save that, and then we will export textures. Probably honestly don't need a missive. Actually, yeah, these are not what I would want at all. Like, I want base map and normals, but I also need like metallic and things like that. Let's just find Unreal. And then let's also get, instead of emissive, we can just get rid of emissive. We want, and right now we don't need opacity either. We do want normals, we do want metallic, we do want base color. I'm gonna say that we also want, what, specular, probably? I don't know how to add it. My watch is yelling at me that it's dying. I'm so sad, by the way. My watch, which I do really like this watch, it's starting to lose functionality. I didn't realize it was old. I still don't, I feel like it's not old, but, I was using it to be able to, sorry, 1 second. Brain turns to mush whenever I have to actually look to see what I'm doing. It's a smartwatch. Cancel file. Export. There we go. Okay, but I was using it so instead of having to like activate my Home Assistant, I could just press the button on the side of my watch and then say what I needed it to do, which a lot of the time was a lot more convenient, and I didn't have to like, I don't know, it was just more convenient. I liked it better. And one day I went to click it and I talked to it and it went, sorry, this OS is no longer supported by like Google. And I was like, what? But I just used you yesterday. Those have shelf lives. Yeah. Unfortunately, you're not wrong. All right, we're going to start a new project. This time we're going to do the button. Button, open. And again, this can be pretty small because... yes. Okay. And now we know that if I go into texture settings and just say bake mesh map and hit bake selected textures, we just get all of the textures we need. So then we can switch back to painting, and now I can have fun and do weird shit. And that's all we really want, you know? And we're going to make this, I mean, that's a pretty intense button right there. Is that too intense? So we can do that. Let's see, what are our other options? I do sort of like the idea. Hull damage, that's kind of cool looking. Type blend. Machinery. Oh, that's pretty cool. And then we could probably change the color of it too. Yeah. Yep. There's your problem. Yep. There it is. Okay. I don't know where my brain's at today. I spent, like, the reason why I took so long to even start streaming today was I'm really working hard on setting up Rook, my 3D model for like VR. applications like VRChat and Resonate. And it's going really well, which I'm very happy that it's going well. But it is taking time. It's taking a lot of time. It's very difficult. Let's go ahead and throw some dirt on this. Hell yeah. Gradient. Grain intensity? No. Hi, BK. Long time no see. How you doing? I'm making a button. It is a very nice button. Notice me. Oh, I do. I see those hearts. As much as I wish I could turn those hearts off. Not because of you, but just because it makes it hard to read really long messages where they first come in. And it's kind of a pain in the butt. But I'm happy that you're here. I am happy that you're here. I need dirt. Where's the dirt? Or do we want just some rust? No, we want dirt. I want dirt. Give me dirt. It hates me. My Shibai. Oh no, it's not. You're fine. Don't worry. Like I said, that is not a you problem. That is a. I wish that. I think it is this that I want. I wish that they had considered, they being YouTube, I wish YouTube would have considered the fact that it is really, really hard to read. Hello, Hello, BK. Hey. Sorry, is that creepy old man enough for you? Hello, BK. Hi. I'm doing my best. So, what if I do want this to have a different generator on it? Because what if I do want this to be like a vertical generator instead, like a position generator? How do I have both, though? Okay, wait, that seems to be doing something. Yeah, okay. But now what if I want to actually, like, fix this? Okay, and then I think what I can do is add one more that... I'm gonna try something. Because my idea is that, like, I want it to start, like, 100% dirt, and then I want to progressively get less dirt. So we're going to add one more generator to this. This should be doable. I'll put another position one on. We're going to invert it. Ah! Give me my stuff back. I hit the wrong button, I'm sorry. Global invert, here we go. Right, so we want it to be like there, probably. We'll make it very, very contrasted. We'll bring it back down to like about there. And then we'll just darken? Subtract? Nope, not subtract. Add? Overlay? No. What if it's at the bottom? No, that doesn't do anything either. Oh! I think that's it, right? That's what I wanted. Almost. Well, let's just try to do that here. Yeah, and then we can just get rid of that one. I love it. It's my dirty, dirty little button. Save as. I like that this feels very Silent Hill. Phoenix, what's up? Good morning. Sure. I'm just kidding. Good morning to you, Phoenix. I hope you're having a good morning so far. I don't know if you drink coffee, but I hope you get some yummy coffee if you do. Yeah. I hope you're doing great. It's nice to hear from both of you. I'm sorry that I don't stream very much. I'm trying to do better. I'm like exactly off my schedule right now, which I think's hilarious. Like I streamed Sunday and I streamed today, which according to my schedule are both days that I'm supposed to have off. I think Sunday's supposed to be off. I don't remember. Okay, so let's see. Where's this going? That's not where we want it to go. 3D models, VR shooting gallery, game assets, and materials button. We're just gonna throw this into button because it shouldn't matter. Export. Did it work? Yes. Okay. So now let's just check to make sure it worked real quick. So models, VR shooting gallery, game assets, materials. Oh, that's concerning. Oh no, we're good. Okay. Yep. Button base and then button. And that's all the stuff that we had, I think. That should be good. I guess we're gonna find out. Oh, good. Oi, it's fluffing 1:30 a.m. Why are you awake at 1:30 a.m.? Go to bed. I'm doing great. Good. That part's good. But otherwise, you're silly. You're a silly bean. PC dies. Oh no. Okay. No, I closed you. Stop. Okay. I actually haven't even ran this yet. Today at least in VR. So, oh, you're playing Roblox. Fair. I need to try that in VR because apparently there's a VR like version of Roblox and it's good. Like there's one guy that was making. I wonder if I could find that. There's one guy making a really impressive game. Also, I paused earlier whenever I was like setting up the stream. I just need you all to see this real quick. Look at this pause screen. Look at this face. Look how done I am. Okay, but yeah, I think it was this. Like, this is all in Roblox. Look how good this looks. Look at the shadows. It's insane. Alright, friend, I'm sorry. It's been a short visit, but I was gonna eat some dinner. I miss your lives. I'm gonna be doing them more often, don't worry. I'm kind of trying to film this entire me streaming thing, so hopefully we're going to get a lot more videos from me. Also, if you guys don't have a Mastodon yet, you should get a Mastodon, and then you should follow me on it. Because Mastodon's wonderful. But yes, I love you, BK. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye. I don't remember who says that. At that point, I kind of figured it would just be easier to make a fresh game in Unreal, though, than Roblox. No. Yes and no. Yes, because getting all of that set up and getting it to look that nice and stuff in Roblox, I'm sure is a huge fucking pain in the ass. But at the same time, if you already basically know how to do all that, like, I'm assuming that person's probably made a lot of things in Roblox. Like, so it's kind of no different than just making anything. And then the reason why you would do that instead of just making an Unreal Engine is there's already an entire online system set up. You don't have to do anything. You can literally just say, like, here's how you set up a game room. And people who join, like, there's already an entire server system set up for it. You don't have to build anything. Where, like, if I wanted to have an online service for this, I don't know why I would, but if I did, I would have to build a server. I'd have to get all of the networking stuff figured out. I have to figure out how it actually dictates how people talk to each other in the server. You know what I mean? Like how their computers talk to each other. It's a huge, huge problem that you don't have to deal with because you're working with someone else's system. Materials. Yeah, we're just going to move all of this into here. And then we're going to import. Nope, wait. Yeah, no, it is game assets. I was right. And then we need button and button. Import all. It's going to yell at us for not having smoothing groups, but we're going to ignore it because it's dumb. Then we're going to come in here, and we're going to add import. And we're going to grab this button and grab all of these. Okay. Then we're going to make a new material. We're going to call this MT button. button. And make another new material. No, not a folder. Delete. Delete. We're making a new material. We're gonna call it MT button base. And we'll do base first, because why not? Then we'll open up this. We will grab button base default. Button base. Bring those in. And then we should be able to just do that, right? Like, you're the normals, I'm pretty sure. And then your occlusion, roughness, and metallic, right. Metallic is blue, I'm pretty sure. I hope I'm right. This is roughness. Technically the top one's occlusion, but okay. I think I set that up correctly, right? I'm pretty sure it's we'll just see. The reason why it groups them together like that, though, is because these output as grayscale, so you can stack them and not have to worry. But first, I think a mobile compatible game and turn it into a multi-platform Xbox, PC, and now VR. Last man standing. I'm gonna assume that this is correct, just by the name setup, right? Because it's occlusion, roughness, metallic, which would mean RGB should be occlusion, roughness, metallic. Sure hope I'm right. I guess we'll be able to figure it out if I'm right or wrong really quickly, because I'm gonna put it on, you know, the model. My bad. Base. MT. Button base. Oh yeah, look at that. I think that looks correct. Let's go ahead and save that. We can close those now. And now we want to open butt material, grab these. Normal. Oh wait, no shit. I was getting my brain confused. Sorry. And then we said blue was metallic, green was roughness. I mean, that looks right to me. And then we don't need occlusion. I don't think we need occlusion, at least. I keep doing that. I don't know why my brain's like, that's the thing we need to click in order to get the thing to go. The thing. Do the thing. What's the thing? I don't know. Do the thing. Yeah, that looks good. Look at that shiny, dirty button. Dirty. Okay. And now the fun, I guess, right? Now the fun. We go into blueprints. We make a new blueprint actor, and we call it button solid. Okay. We bring in a static mesh. We call it button. We bring in another static mesh. We call it stand. Or base, I guess, was what we were calling it before. We drag it out of this because it doesn't need to be in it. Sticky button. Stinky button. Look at the stinky button. It's so stinky. Stink button. My brain isn't here right now. Please leave a message after the tone. Button. button. Okay. Now, if I remember correctly, last time I did this, I had to actually put this down here. Look how good that looks. They look so good together. And the reason why is because I think that you have to base the movement off of the 0 position. Button. Why not have peep? It shall not be the peep button. I won't have it. Compile and save. Let's just check and make sure this looks pretty. It probably does. Oh, you're such a jerk. No, yeah, that's like the perfect height. Look at that. And then we can take our timer over here. We can bring that over. 90 degrees. Okay. Because now our goal is press the button, timer starts. The hardest part about that, honestly, is just getting the button to actually do what you want it to do. Oh, we need a box collider. Oh. Collider. And that should be attached to the button. That is correct. We're gonna bring that up. Stink button. Stinky button. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Hiya. Right about there is probably fine. Like, don't you just want to press that button? If you walked into a factory and saw that button, you would lose your shit. You'd be like, oh my god, I need to click it. I need to press it. That has to do something, right? Look at that button. Good lord. I should drink water. I don't think I've had any water today at all yet. That's probably not healthy. I've had coffee. There's water in coffee. Save now. Okay. We're gonna just... I'm gonna try to do this my way. I don't... Will this work? It should. We're going to grab our... Or no, we're not going to grab our collider. My bad. We're going to get a component on overlap. Okay. And we're going to tell it to go into a timeline. Wait, no, because I don't think a timeline will reverse. Oh no, it will. Bird must drink the water. You must hydrate. I will in a second. Because I also have boxing tonight, so I should probably be hydrated for that, right? Not a timer. We need a timeline. I'm going to call this button move. Solid. So whenever it's colliding... we want it to play this. Whenever it's not colliding, which is going to be anytime we're not touching the button, on button, end overlap, we're going to reverse. Okay? We hit it, it goes down. We aren't hitting it anymore, it goes back up. Easy as that. That makes sense in my brain, at least. Oh, okay, but here's the next thing, right? worst, like, okay, so we're making this, right? So worst case scenario, we just have to solve the problem, if there is one, which there probably will be. Move over time. Okay. 0, make another one. Make those 1 and 1. Alright, and it's just going to be linear, because it doesn't need to be anything else. Why would it need to be anything else? I don't know. Help. My brain doesn't work right now. And then what we need is, we need to update the transform. Or the position. Here, wait. Button. Set position. Transform. Transform. Let's just try to do transform. Set relative transform. Can I set relative position? Okay, well, let's try the transform then, I guess, since that actually let me do that. So we're gonna update. We're gonna split structure. And we want to lerp a vector from where it is right now to probably down 30, I would guess. Let's see. We can actually just grab it and then move it. So if we want the max distance to be there, then -5. Okay, there we go. Yeah, 30 might have been a little bit overkill. -30. Ah, not -30, -5. We just talked about this, brain. We just talked about this. Okay, there we go. We sweep to destiny. Okay. And that should work. Okay, here, wait. Let's see. I have to reset my headset. We should probably save everything, honestly, before I do this, just in case if it crashes everything. Save all, which is very prone to do. In fact, crashing everything's like its favorite thing. How have you been doing, though, Phoenix? I guess you said you're doing well. My brain doesn't work right now. And clearly neither does my headset, because it's not turning on. There we go. Goodness. Boundary lost, but probably not for long. Give it a second. I hope. Confirm position. And we're just gonna Give us a nice big play space. That way I don't have to worry. Sorry, I keep on hanging the mic. Can't really see right now. Done. Launch Steam VR. Really wish it would stop changing my background to the HTC background. I actually really like having it the other way. Software update, Steam Client Beta, October 16th update. Nice. I don't want to do that right now, though. Right now, I want to see if my button works. Oh, I can already actually tell you that it's not going to work. Because, oh, yep, see, it crashes. It almost every single time I do this first, it crashes. I just need to wait until it, like, fully kicks me out. Which, I mean... we'll see. Send and close. Like I said, it usually does that, like, once. But then after... it's a little bit nicer to me. I don't care. It can hang out on the ground. VR base, open. Oh, no, the timer's not supposed to count, but it's gonna count for now. At least until I can set up the button. Once I can set up the button, I'm going to make it count using the button instead. Okay. So right now, nothing. But now I think about it, that makes sense. Because... oh, also, this works now. I made that the other day. I also need to turn off the wireframe that's on this, but that's okay. But yeah, we'll fix the timer here in a second. And the reason why that didn't work, I'm pretty certain at least, is because I need to go to VR template, blueprints, VR pawn, and I have to put a hitbox on my controller. Unless I can just tell it to have collision. Can I just tell it to have collision? Simulate, generate overlap. Custom. Okay. And then the custom is going to be that for VR interactables, it's going to overlap. Yeah, I think that'll work. I think. Let's do it to the right hand and the left hand. Oh. Did Steam VR crash that time? I wonder why. Very last timeout. I wish it was just a restart. It's always a bit of an annoyance working on a VR project, because I swear this is just like how it works. Troubleshooting with Rook! But like, this is genuinely just like how it constantly works. Is it gets uppity, and then you have to just like wait for it to come back. Let's see if it kept our collision settings that we set. Excuse me, I'm gross. Okay, it looks like it did actually keep the collision settings that we had. Let's go back in. Interesting. Something about that in particular is causing all of it to crash. Okay. All right. Well, that's good to know. Okay. That's the danger button. We don't want to do that. Danger button is bad. Danger button does not like having collision on the skeletal hands. It is not a fan. It does not like. But now we know. So it's okay. Alright? It's fine. We're good. Isn't it? It's a virus. Don't. Oh my god. The Bloody M. What? Are you okay? It's fine. Everything's okay. Okay. So then we go back into our VR pawn. We set this to back to whatever it was. So that way we stop crashing it. Which I'm pretty sure was overlap all. First, we make sure we fix the problem. Give it a second. Okay. All right. Yep, okay. That fixes the problem. Okay. We go back into here. And let's see. Then we instead add a box collision on the hand. And we go to the viewport just to see. Okay. Because we're going to have to scale that way down. Even smaller than that, like 0.1. If I remember correctly, I also need to move these hands, like, up. Okay, and then we need to get the box collider. And that needs to come down on the green, it looks like. And then we're just going to copy that, come down to the other hand, paste it. Okay. Reset its location. Alright, that didn't work, so we're just gonna make a new one. That seems incorrect too. Huh. How did I manage to make this one so perfect? I feel like I'm breaking everything here, right? Okay, it's just being a little weird. We don't need to worry about these. We don't need to worry about the camera. But I do need this to be like there. Boy, I really wish that it, you know... Here we go. We'll just do this. Sure. See, why is its rotation set to 0? But this one's rotation is all wibbly wobbly. There we go. There we go. That's what we wanted. Now let me go back to moving stuff. Thank you. Right there looks about right. Compile, save. Okay, let's see if that does it. Hands are still in the wrong spot, but that's okay. Oh! Where'd it go? Where'd it go? It worked. Oh, oh. That's its world position. Why did that affect its world position? Holy crap, but the funny part is it actually is pressing it down. Okay, so that's like almost what we want. You know, minus it teleporting to the world 0 position, which I think I know why it did that. So that's good. Yeah. This is just the world center. I need to get the buttons. World. Get world location, I think? Position. Or location. Maybe it is location. I think that'll do it. Okay. Solid. Let's try it again. Oh wait, Phoenix, what? Oop. Good luck. So far, doing good. Nightrook, have fun playing. Oh, okay, bye, Phoenix. Thanks for hanging out for a bit. Appreciate you. I'll see you tomorrow, because I'll probably be streaming tomorrow too. Huh. 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 Why are you way up there? Button, come back. I'm sorry, Button. Why is that happening? Oh, because I'm setting the button's position and then minusing 5 from it. But then that just becomes the button's position. Alright, thank you. Thank you, Matt. So we need to store the button's starting position. Okay. So we need to store the button starting position. So game starts, and then we're going to get a variable called button start. And that's going to be a float. Oh, no, that's going to be a vector. My bad. Okay. We're actually going to set button start vector. Cool. And that sets that. Now, instead of it taking that, or rather, it's this, right? So we're getting the button start transform, right? And we're moving it to -5. Yeah. And then that should make it that it can't go anywhere else. I think. I guess we're about to find out, huh? Give it a second. Okay. There we go. Sometimes it takes a little bit to... Okay, still the wrong direction, but you see that? Oh, we also need to clamp its like position. Cause look, it'll just keep going up. Like it wants to go back down, but it can't. Okay. So I guess this needs to be just -5. Oh, it's because it was a minus. I don't need a -5. That makes it +5. Duh. Okay, so then the next question is can I clamp this? Like, and 5? Maybe? Come on. You're acting ridiculous right now, headset. Oh my god, I'll just hit it in here, it's fine. I know why. Kind of. I think. So, right now what's going on, right, is this is working because it's getting the world location. The problem is that all of this is based off of world location when it should be based off of the position of the button in here, which is relative. But I can't seem to figure out set relative location button. Okay, wait. But then because of that, I shouldn't have to get world location. I don't think. For button. I think that's right. Okay, so that is correct. But right now the problem is it really wants to go. But I think I can fix that. I mean, it does work. So that's good. We've at least gotten the button to go. Hello. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So that's good progress. We're gonna go ahead and save that. I think maybe the duration just needs to be longer. Let's try that. Let's see what happens if we set it to like 5. And then move this to like 5. I wonder why. It doesn't make any sense. Also, well, you probably can't see, but man, the controller's so far off from where the hands actually are. Huh. Just trying to think, like, because it colliding with this, right? Oh, maybe I do know the reason. Because we're constantly firing, right? Whenever we overlap, we're constantly firing. Which obviously is not what we want. I wonder if I can shoot him from over here. First, parkour. There we go. Okay, and yeah. It's frustrating though. I might have to look a little bit more into this, but this has still been a very, very productive day. We got timer set up, we got our button in here, and we've got it kind of working, but not quite. So I do think we'll stop here for today. Okay. Yeah, I look crazy. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I appreciate you so much. I'll probably fix this off screen because it's just a little bit easier for me. I don't like watching tutorials on stream, but I do like to experiment and try things out on stream and see if I can figure them out myself. So that's what this was. But we did a lot of other stuff too, and we figured out so many things. I'm just really impressed with the timer working and everything. I'm happy. But yeah, I will... What is this hair doing? What does hair do though? I don't know. Okay, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bunches of love. Bye for now.